Welcome, in front of me is a REALME Pad Mini, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, we're going to turn off our device by holding the power button and selecting power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see the REALME logo, you can let go of the power button. Next thing you will see is Android with no command, like this one. So from here, you want to hold the power button, press volume up once, and this will take you to the recovery mode. And in here, using volume keys up and down to navigate respectively up and down, you want to select Fastboot mode, confirm it with power button, and there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. And here we have a couple options like Reboot System Now, which take us back to Android. We have Recovery mode, which takes us back a step backwards, the previous page. Reboot to bootloader, which presumably might actually not do anything apart from taking us back to Fastboot mode, just a different looking one. And we have Power Off. So I'm just gonna stick with the first option, confirm it by pressing a power button, and this will initiate a reboot and take me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.